Let me show you how to fix this issue with an app not being able to be opened because of this information on Nothing Phone 3a. So if you have get this app from Play, what you can do is simply press get app, and you want to uninstall the app first. So unfortunately there is no option to reinstall. If you decide to open the app, then you get pretty much the same thing again. So in this case, you can uninstall the app from the Play Store if you can. If not, then of course you can go to the app drawer, press and hold your finger, and then we have, well, actually we don't have the option to uninstall apparently. Not in this case at least, but in some other cases you can press and hold in order to uninstall. So in the case of the Essential Space, since I cannot open it, we can uninstall it from the Play Store like this. And after that you should be able to press update. So now we need to wait for the update to be done, to be downloaded and installed. And after that you should be able to open the app without any issues. You might also just have the install option instead of update, so of course you want to install it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!